Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make Ube Cheesecake bars. Let's get baking! For the ube layer, we will need 1 1/4 cup of plain flour, half cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of ube jam or ube halaya, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of ube extract, half teaspoon of baking powder, and half teaspoon of salt. For the cream cheese layer, we will need 225 grams of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a medium bowl, add the butter, sugar, and mix them together. Then, add the eggs one at a time. Add the ube extract, ube jam, and continue mixing. Sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. And mix them together until well combined. Don't forget to set aside about 1/3 cup of the obeck mixture. In another bowl, add the cream cheese, white sugar, and mix them together. Then, add the egg, vanilla extract, and whisk them together until well incorporated. Pour the obeck mixture in an 8 by 8 inches baking pan lined with parchment paper. Then, Pour the cream cheese mixture and spread it evenly. Then, distribute the ube mixture that was set aside all over the top of the cream cheese layer. Then, using a skewer, make a swirl pattern. Bake this in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And here's our finished product! These Ube Cheesecake bars are so good and so chewy. I hope you're going to try this recipe. If you like today's recipe, don't forget to hit the like. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!